So hey, what's up all? How are we doing today? Thanks for stopping into mobytrails.com. Just doing a real quick update on the garden. It's roughly about 2.5 months old. Just over, I think. These potatoes were the first down. Those are a little older. And then I added the rest of this stuff a few weeks later, maybe a month. So the potatoes are probably closer to about 3 months. But got my little hot peppers going. It's another potato. Here's a cherry tomato plant. It's got some buds and we're getting some little baby tomatoes on it. Green pepper that started out in a bucket. Oops, sorry about that. We've already eaten off this a couple times. And we're starting to get some pretty decent peppers on it. We're getting more. Like 4 or 5 right now. Then I got a potato plant or a tomato plant that isn't looking right. So I'm thinking sick plant because the rest of them seem okay. Got buds on them. A couple of them are starting tomatoes. This one's got tomatoes coming in. This one's got tomatoes. And I just noticed this the other day. This one's getting tomatoes. And these were store-bought. These 6, I think it was. And then these I germinated myself. So these were in the initial Jiffy garden, the little Jiffy greenhouse thing. And I can't remember, but it seems like I saw, yep, right here, tomatoes coming out on this one now. Squash are doing pretty good. The zucchini are jamming. I put some sunflowers down the other day. Those got 8. And my cauliflower, even though I put stuff down, I tried a couple different things, some hookworm bait and some spray. I put down eggshells. Nothing seemed to work. So I'm open for advice on cauliflower. And they're eating my beets too. So I don't know what it is that's eating my plants because they're only eating some of them. These down here are radishes. So they're starting to eat the leaves off the radishes. The zucchini are jamming though. Check out these zucchini. These are starting. I think I saw a couple the other day. I don't remember now where I saw them. There's one. So yeah, zucchini are going. The potatoes are just jamming. I'm like really happy with potatoes. I didn't realize potatoes flowered per se. Look at the pretty flowers on the potato plants. That's pretty cool. These look pretty good, pretty sturdy. So, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pull up these cauliflower, and I've germinated some cauliflower and squash. So I think I'm going to pull up these cauliflower and put down some squash that I've germinated and started in cups. And I might, depending on room, I don't know, I might pull these broccolis too because something's eating. Lettuce got 8 a while back. I sprayed it, put bait around it, didn't seem to work. And then the little green peppers, the ones I started in cups, those are starting. Those have peppers on them. So all in all, I'd say, oh yeah, and the pickles. Got little tiny baby pickles. This one's a squash. This one, the pickles got 8. These are cucumbers. One of those is getting 8. My watermelon got 8. Arg. But I think it's this one. I think that's a pickle. And I'm pretty sure, there we are, right there. Those are pickles. Cute little baby pickles. So yeah, we got pickles coming in, tomatoes coming in. I haven't seen any squash yet, but the plants look healthy. I don't know what squash look like when they start. I assume they're going to be kind of like the zucchini. But I don't know. So anyway, I'd say it's a success. First garden, well, second. I did one a couple years ago that was kind of limited. But yeah, from tilling it up to germinated all these seeds, all these plants. In a little grow room. And that's what I got. So anyway, we'll go check out that squash and I'll show you what I did with those. So here's the squash I got started. This was just a store-bought acorn squash, produce section. Brought it home, cut it up, scooped the seeds out of it, germinated the seeds, and ate the squash. I think I got 14 out of it. So there's still like 8 of them indoors growing in these cups, but these they're getting some pretty good root development. So I'd say they're ready to go. We'll see if they get 8. Considering the other squash didn't, I'm hoping they won't. See, and this is what the problem I'm having with my cauliflower is that I don't know what this means. I don't think they're low on water, so I'm thinking some kind of deficiency of something. Maybe it's flushed out, they don't have enough water, I don't know. This one's looking okay, this one's going out. So this one, we'll see if these two make it. I'll find a spot for 3 cauliflower, but then I'm going to put the rest of the squash in. So we'll see how, and I might throw in a little bit of fertilizer today too. I might feed the garden because I haven't really fed the garden since it started. So, alrighty. Okay, so we planted those squash. Here's one of them, with potato plants. Pepper in a bucket. I cleared out some of the weeds and stuff. And then I put down, the cauliflower. After the lettuce, it's getting 8. So these 3 were broccoli. I took out the broccoli and put in that germinated cauliflower. And then here's the other 5 squash, so there's 6 in all. So planted those all in. Then I threw down a little bit of fertilizer around the tomatoes. It's been raining, so I don't think I really need to water anything. But there we have it. There we have it. Homegrown, man. Grow them while you can, I'm telling you.